keep studying now. What do you mean? Maybe you've been distracting me for the past hour. Not in a bad way necessarily, but I want to clarify a little bit. The distractions have been very nice, and I enjoyed them greatly. But alas, I do have an exam tomorrow, a really important one. So I'm going to have to sit down and hit the books and really focus. And I mean, if you really want to help me out, you can make me a coffee or a sandwich or something, but I really do have to focus. Now, as I have said, any other time, those distractions would be more than welcome, and they wouldn't even be considered distractions. They'd be considered the main event. I would give you and your twins all the time and attention you wanted. Everything. Well, it's not like you have any exams coming up, so obviously you have more free time on your hands, right? Baby, that's not the case for me. I'm gonna focus, okay? And in maybe 2 hours, I can take a break and give you some attention. Oh, come on. Are you really gonna try that? So, you're telling me that you want to massage me? Okay, well, we both know what's going on here. You're gonna try to reach down past my waist. So, to prevent that, we're gonna have a few rules here, okay? You can massage me with whatever finger, hand, knuckle, elbow, anything on your arm, okay? And you can massage my neck, my scalp, my shoulders, anything. But you cannot, absolutely cannot, okay, 100%, do anything below the waist. That is the restricted area for now, okay? Thank you, baby. I'm glad you understand. Alright, so let me pull my flashcards out here. And, wow. It's pretty thick. Looks like, I'll need more massaging from you. Well, yes, that does feel very nice. Very relaxing. But remember, baby, I'm trying to focus on the material, not on your touch, even though it does feel very nice. Okay, see, your hand is trying to creep its way down again. And this is exactly what I was talking about. No. Just stay up here, alright? I know you're trying to go below the waist to where all the riches are, but I anticipated this. Are you kissing me on the neck? You see, I knew this was gonna happen. Are you sure that's part of a massage, baby? Listen, I know that you're bored, and I know what you're trying to do, and it's not gonna work. And while, yes, that was a nice kiss, I know that I should be looking at my books. What? You want to go do yoga? Okay, fine. I'm not gonna join, so go get your mat and do whatever you want. Sure. What is that pose called? Downward dog. Do you have to be facing away from me like that? I mean, it does look good from where I'm sitting, but you're making a lot of excessive noise. That's why I'm looking over. Okay, baby. This clearly is not working out, okay? Why don't we make a compromise? Here's what I propose. For the next few minutes, we do anything that you want. We make sure you're well taken care of. And so that afterwards, you're going to be sleepy, and you're going to stop trying to distract me, okay? Sound good? Come over here to my desk. Is there something that you want to get off your chest? Something that I could lend a hand? Maybe I can help out a little bit so that your back doesn't hurt as much. Maybe I could give you a nice massage at the same place so that, I don't know, at least for me, it's like a stress ball. I believe it feels good for you too, right? I can hear your satisfaction. I know I'm good at this. You know, I have been told that I have a tongue that puts everyone else's to shame. Ooh, yes. Why would I lie? Do you want to see for yourself? That was good, wasn't it? You want more? Well, I'm going to make you beg for it. Oh, and I really love the curve of your thigh. And your skin is just so soft and very velvety smooth. And just every time I run my hands over it, your eyes seem to give away that you love me. You fell for me, didn't you? Oh, yes. And I love the warmth of your hug. It just makes me feel like we belong together forever. And I love when you're pressed up against me and when we're just feeling like two peas in a pod. Just so warm and so much cushioning. I love it. I love it when you do that. Keep wrapping your hands around me and maybe your legs as well. Just continue to pull me in and ask for whatever you want. Deeper, harder, anything. I can make it happen, baby. I just love when you explore my body. Okay, that's enough for now. You did great, and so did I. I am amazing, and I know I did great. And as me, the reigning amazing person, I hereby certify that you did great too. So, if you could accept the greatness and do even greater by pressing the like and subscribe button, that would help me out a lot. Because then we can achieve greatness together. Thank you.